Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
It's exciting to get a new phone or tablet, but what about your amazing Clash of Clans village? Don't worry, moving your progress to a new device is actually quite straightforward. You don't want to lose all that hard work you've put in. We'll walk you through the simplest method, ensuring all your hard-earned gems, gold, and troops are right where you left them, ready for more battles and upgrades on your new screen. It's surprisingly easy. The absolute best and most reliable way to transfer your Clash of Clans account in 2025 is definitely through Supercell ID. This fantastic, free service links your entire game progress to an email address, keeping it safe and accessible. It means you can effortlessly switch between an Android phone and an Apple iPad, or even multiple devices, without any hassle at all. It's designed for simplicity and security. Let's walk through connecting your account. On your old device, open Clash of Clans, head to the Settings menu and make sure it shows Connected next to Supercell ID. If not, connect it. Then, on your brand new device, simply open the game, go into Settings, and tap Login to Supercell ID. Just enter your linked email address, follow the quick verification steps, and your village will load right up. It's truly that simple to get playing again. What if you haven't set up a Supercell ID yet? It's crucial to do that on your old device first before you remove the game. Just go to Settings and follow the prompts to create one. Remember, always keep your login information private. Never share your Supercell ID details with anyone. If you ever run into trouble or can't recover your account for some reason, don't panic. Supercell's in-game support is incredibly helpful and can guide you through the recovery process, ensuring your village is safe. So there you have it. Supercell ID is not just the easiest method, but also the most secure way to ensure your Clash of Clans village moves seamlessly with you, no matter what new device you get in 2025 and beyond. It's a simple step that protects all your hard work. Make sure all your Supercell games are connected to an ID for peace of mind. Now, go enjoy your fortified village on its new home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.